Hey you guys, it's Zyda, and I am doing another video. It's nature, hi, and a bye-bye to technology. So let's get on with this video. There's a scary bug. So yeah, I will be having the time of my life, and you guys will see me. I don't even want to mess. That's what I don't know. See my one more time before I go skipping. That's why I don't even want to. Gotta see my one more time. And I would like to give a shout out to Pablo Mamos, Lord DIY, Wasabi Productions, Guava Juice, and Roy Wasabi. And Aaron. I like your videos, and shout out to every YouTuber in the world. So let's go on with this video. But I don't need one. Gotta see my hands on my time. Go take it on me. Bye bye, nature. Good hi to nature. I think I just said no to nature and yes to technology. No to technology, yes to nature. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hey. So I am done with this video, so it's time for the outro. And this is my sister.
Hello!
So please like and subscribe for more.
To Spider-Man and his wife having babies, fake babies.
And yeah, bye-bye.